guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Hey guys, I have decided to, please don't mind my nails. It's been a rough week, but I am Cinquanta Cox-Smith and my channel has changed a lot. Lately I've been talking about print on demand, but also I want to continue the conversation with showing you guys and teaching you guys different ways to make money. And the first way that I ever learned how to make money was through crafts. Taking the hobbies that I enjoy and flipping it to put a price on it to making it a paid hobby. And I started this probably back in high school when I was braiding hair or creating t-shirts and things like that for other people. Back then we weren't really pressing and stuff like that. We would use like the Avery decals and iron them on, or we would use like the little glue paint stuff, and we would paint shirts and things like that and rip them up and cut them and fringe and all that. That is how I successfully moved into entrepreneurship, by putting a price on the things that I enjoy. I wanted to do a series just to show you guys and help you to explore different crafts and different hobbies and things like that. If you are unsure what you want to make money with, if you want to be an entrepreneur, I have done a lot of things. I've done a lot of things that I enjoy. I just wanted to get this content and show you guys different hobbies that you can explore either for fun or to make money for yourself. Today, we're going to do some hand arm knitting. I have a video on my channel from years ago where I showed you guys how to arm knit a infinity scarf. So today I want to try out arm knitting a blanket. It's been a while, but I have some yarn here that I got from Hobbies. It is by Yarn Bee. It is Eternal Bliss Mustard. Let me see. It is 28 yarn, 8 ounce. It's very like fuzzy, furry here. Initially, I was just gonna hand knit a blanket, but I was like, let me see if I can arm knit a blanket. I'm gonna put this on time lapse, and then I'm gonna do some regular video and just let you guys explore and see. I don't really want to talk through it, but if I do need to do voiceovers, I will. I hope you guys enjoyed this different type of content on my video. I will put this under studio vlogs, but it will be something like a hobbies series. So hope you guys enjoy. enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.